Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another Detox video for you today. If you want to flush out those toxins, clean out your colon, I'm going to show you exactly how you could do that and lose weight at the same time. Okay, the ingredients you're going to need for this is you're going to need your sea salt. The sea salt ultimately improves digestion and removes waste and toxins through the body. Okay, you're also going to need about an inch or so, about 2 inches of ginger. The ginger stimulates the colon, reduces bloating, and keeps it free from harmful toxins and waste. You're also going to need some real lemon juice. Lemon is one of the most powerful detox tools, rich in powerful antioxidants and vitamin C. And we're also going to be using our 100% apple juice. Apples contain soluble and insoluble fiber, which stimulates the bowel movements, as well as a half a cup of water. Alright, so let's start this video right now, show you how we're going to do this. First of all, I'm just going to put my ginger inside my Pyrex dish, okay, because I'm trying to get some juice from the ginger. So you're going to pretty much blend it. So I'm going to use my little hand blender here and just try to mix up this ginger a little bit. If you have an easier way of doing that, I suggest you do it. Now that we have our ginger mince, we can continue. So what we're going to do first is pour our water into our cup, and that was a half a cup of warm water. Then we're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon of our sea salt. Now we're going to use 1 teaspoon of our ginger juice. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Next we're going to use 2 tablespoons of our lemon or lime juice. So you can use either your lemon juice or your lime juice. And lastly, we're going to share out a half a cup of our apple juice. Okay, half a cup of our apple juice. And what you're going to do is just mix that up really good. It's preferable that you use boiling water first for the ginger and let it just steep for a little bit, maybe 5 to 10 minutes inside the water before proceeding to your next step. But this is okay too. Warm water is alright. Alright. If you want to use ginger powder, probably best that you use the ginger powder. But ginger root is just as good. If you can get the juice straight out of the ginger, that's even better. Alright, so you're going to mix this well. Now, the disclaimer on this one is do not forget that you've got to consume at least 8 glasses of water during the day. Okay, so throughout the day, you're going to drink at least 8 glasses of water after you've drank this concoction. Now, do not drink this if you're pregnant or if you suffer from diabetes or allergies. Okay. Enjoy your wonderful detox tea. This is going to flush that water weight off of you. It's going to help you to lose all of that weight in a very short time, okay? And with this, I suggest you stay home for a few hours after drinking this because you're going to need to stay close to the bathroom, all right? So just know this is going to get rid of that crap in your stomach, in your colon. It's going to flush out those toxins, and you're going to lose weight in a very short period of time. Alright, so don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below, share these wonderful Detox videos with your friends and family, And also, tell me how you like it. Tell me the effects that it had on you. Tell me how much weight you've lost during this process. And share it with your loyalty family members down below. And I will see you in the next Detox video. Bye.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.